Hey there! I'm glad you're here with me today because I want to share something powerful with you. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to achieve success so effortlessly? Well, let me tell you a secret. It's not about luck or talent alone. It's about turning effort into a habit. Let's dive in. Imagine this. Every single day, you wake up and you're not just thinking about what needs to be done. You're driven to make progress on your dreams. This isn't about huge leaps. It's about consistent, small steps. Each step might seem insignificant on its own, but together, they create a journey of 1,000 miles. Now let's talk about routines. When effort becomes a daily routine, success doesn't just visit, it moves in. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't do it because it's exciting. You do it because it's essential for your health. Similarly, when practicing your skills becomes as habitual as brushing your teeth, that's when you start seeing real growth. That's when excellence stops being an act and starts being a habit. But here's the kicker: effort needs to be directed. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Set clear goals. Break them down into manageable tasks. Each day, conquer a small part of that larger goal. This methodical approach turns daunting tasks into daily habits. Before you know it, what once seemed out of reach is now beneath your feet. And remember, the journey of self-improvement is never burdened with traffic. Why? Because not everyone is willing to make that effort consistently. This is your lane, your path to shine. So own it. Make that effort day after day, and I promise you'll turn your potential into performance, your dreams into realities. So let's start today, right now. Ask yourself, what's one small step I can take today to move closer to my goals? Then, take that step. Make it a habit, and watch as success becomes not just a possibility, but a constant in your life. And whenever you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Draw strength from that purpose and let it fuel your efforts. Thank you for spending these moments with me. Let's make effort our most cherished habit and success our inevitable outcome. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never, ever stop. Because when effort becomes a habit, success becomes a constant. See you at the top.